welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, welcome back to Always Alyssa. I just got back from the spring showroom that has a bunch of new makeup and beauty products that are coming out this spring, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything I got. This video is also going to be kind of a catch-up vlog or a life update, so stay tuned for some more updates. Here's an overview of what I got. And now I'm going to show you everything closer up. So the first food item that I got are these super yummy and healthy Thin Mint type cookies. I'm gonna sample one just to show you guys kind of what they look like. They taste really minty and just like real Thin Mint cookies, but they're like super healthy. They're really good. Honestly, I could probably keep snacking on these, but I have to show you guys what I got next. Next, we got these Poppy brand prebiotic sodas, which I have never tried before. So I'm kind of excited about them. Also, the packaging is like really cute. I like that. Next up, we have soft protein bars. They're peanut butter caramel, and I have to admit, we tried one in the car as we were driving home, and it was actually really good. I was kind of surprised. The caramel was absolutely delicious, so I'll definitely be keeping these. Amazing. Next are these two little vitamin C type drinks. As you can see, I've already kind of sampled this one. They are pretty good. This one is a little bit earthy, but I still like it. This one kind of tastes like oranges and ginger and maybe even some carrots. It was pretty good. Next up are these super bright and colorful chamoy rings, which personally I have never tried. I know that it's a Mexican candy and it's supposed to be a little bit spicy, like kind of mild, but I'm really sensitive to anything even a little bit spicy, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna try these or not. What do you guys think? Should I try them? Next up, I got one of these little hydrating electrolyte mix. This one is a new flavor. I've tried this brand before and I really like it, but this one is strawberry kiwi, which is a flavor I've not had yet, so I'm excited to try this. The last of the food type stuff that we got is this hydration and weekend recovery drink mix. It is strawberry lemonade flavored, so that sounds pretty yummy too. We have gone to this event before and they've had some clothing items, which this time sadly they didn't, but I still got a pair of socks, which is always useful. Now, with all the makeup and beauty products, we're gonna start off with these two little makeup brushes I'm excited about. You know, I think I'm actually excited about everything I got. But anyways, this one is an eyeshadow brush and this one is an eyeliner brush. I got two supplements from OneSkin and this one is actually a tinted mineral sunscreen. Next, I got this hairspray, which is apparently infused with some kind of mushroom, which is interesting, but I could always use hairspray. And then I just got a random bottle of water. That's not very important. From the brand Skylar, we have 3 different perfumes here, which I'm really excited about because I've been needing a perfume. And this one I smelled there. It smells amazing. And I'm gonna have to try out these ones too. I bet they're so yummy, but look at this. The packaging is really cute too. Look at that. They also gave me a body mist that goes with this one. They're the same flavor, which is like vanilla cotton candy, boardwalk delight. I mean, it just sounds amazing. And trust me, it does smell amazing. Next, we have Elemis, a very good brand that I'm excited about. The first thing I got was this Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream, and this one is a moisturizer. Next, I got some gummies for hair, skin, and nails, which is always good. I got a lip balm from Persona. Next is this 360 Radiance Concentrate from Youth Balm. I got a bunch of things from this new brand called Polite Society. Check it out. First, I have this foundation that they skin match to my skin, which right now probably looks way too light, but when they put it on, they actually put it right here. You probably can't even tell because that's just how well it matched. They gave me some lip balms in 2 different colors and 2 different shades of their powder blush stick. I also got a few things from Province Beauty. First is a clay mask, a green clay mask. Next, we have a night moisturizer. I always love moisturizers. This one is a lip oil and this one is a facial oil. Now, this brand is made by dermatologists, which is so cool. I'm not totally sure how to say the name, but check out all the stuff they gave me inside this bag. This is a peptide complex serum and this is a 10% vitamin C serum, which I'm really excited. They told me all about this one. Now, this one isn't actually in stores yet. It is an eye gel cream. They call it Daily Hydro Drops, but check out how cool it looks. You can see all of like little drops in there, which is so cool because they don't like dissolve till they get on your skin. And how it works is it comes out right there and you put it under your eyes, which is so cool. Lastly, they gave me these vitamin C hydro drops. They're a little different, not only for your eyes. These ones go all over your face, but look how cool that looks. Like they're kind of clearish, but isn't that kind of a pretty color? Anyways, this one you can mix in with your daily moisturizer and then put it on your face. Well, that is everything that I got from the spring showroom and I'm very excited to test all of it out But now I'm going to tell you guys about some of the other updates that I mentioned earlier, since it's kind of like a life update today. I feel like most of the other little updates I have to do with art, but you know me, I'm an artist, so I'm always doing new projects. Anyways, you guys have probably seen that whale shark back there that I made out of cardboard. I absolutely love it. But anyways, I made another shark. This one is about half the size. You know what? It's actually smaller than that. It is a black tip reef shark. I just barely finished it, maybe about a week or something ago. But yeah, check it out. I really like this one. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it yet. I'm pretty sure I haven't showed you, but just in case you get to see it again. I really like this one as well, and I will probably be displaying it right next to the whale shark. Next, I want to show you some pieces that I recently finished because I've been kind of working on my cartoon style a little bit. I used to never be able to draw humans hardly at all, especially in like the simple kind of cartoon style. Like, as silly as it sounds, it was pretty difficult for me. So I've been really trying to work on that and practicing how to draw the eyes, nose, mouth, hands, face, everything in a cartoon style instead of realistic. So to practice for that, I drew my favorite band. You guys probably know by now, but Queen, check it out. I did this one and I think it actually turned out pretty decent. There are definitely a few little mistakes, I have to admit, but from far away it looks good at least. So I did this using some markers and then Sharpie for all the outlines. A few weeks after I finished that little cartoon drawing, I was at the art store and I noticed that they had alcohol markers, which a lot of you guys have been commenting and telling me to try them. So I got some. I got a handful of colors. The only bad thing was they were kind of expensive. I was like, oh, why do they have to be so much? But we got them. I'm very thankful I got them because they seem to be really good quality, which I'm happy about. And in case they weren't, I kept the receipt so I would be able to return them. But I'm not because they are actually pretty good. And with those markers, I did another cartoon piece of Queen. This one is just different outfits. And I tried to go for the same kind of style again, just to practice it. But with the new markers, they were really smooth and easy to draw with. So I was impressed by that. But I think this one maybe looks a little better. And I think I improved a little from the last time I did this kind of art. I can't find it right now, but I also used a thinner pen that I got at the art store for this one. So the outlines are just a little bit thinner than a thin Sharpie. Next, I've been working on painting these pair of Nikes for my brother Chris. You might not be able to tell what the heck that even is yet, but I'll tell you, it's gonna be a galaxy. It's just very unfinished. I'll show you what I've done on this shoe so far. This one is like, I barely started on that part. But I've been working on that part, so I'm just gonna add some more colors in there. And once I'm done with that, I'll be adding the stars and they'll be finished. As you can see down here, it looks very chaotic, and so does the other side from one of my other projects. So I guess I kind of just switched sides and made the other part messy too. But this is actually just a really thin canvas that I got for free somewhere. So I don't know if I'll be able to use it for an actual painting after this because some of these dried out kind of thick. So we'll see. Oh yeah, I also got this cute little new fake plant. You guys know me, I love little plants, and this one is just so cute. Okay everyone, here is an update. I have finished the shoes. I have to say they took me kind of a while to finish, but I'm glad they're done. I added the stars and some sparkles, and I think they look pretty cool. Here's the other side of this shoe with that pretty blue shimmer. And here's the other shoe. I think Chris is going to like them. All right, I think that was all the updates I have for you guys in today's video. Make sure to tell me if you guys have any of the stuff that I got from today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!